All right, in this video, I want to talk a little bit about images when creating your Facebook ads. So to create your ad, you're going to come up here again to this little arrow, come down here to create ads. And then I'm just going to select, for this example, send people to your website. I'm going to select my website. And then if you come down here to the images part, if you have a image on your website, Facebook may pull a couple here. I don't have any. So you've got a couple different options here for the images. So you can either upload images from your computer, you can search from your library, your image library of images that you've already uploaded or used in the past, or you can come over here to search and click that. And what Facebook has done is they partnered up with Shutterstock, which is a stock photography website. And if you type in anything here, then you'll get some results here, and it'll show some. And if you scroll, it'll keep expanding. So you've got some access to some really high quality stock photography for free here, and you can select up to 6 for your ad here. And click done. And then if you want to reposition these at all, you can just click reposition. You can position exactly where you want these images to be focused on, and click done. And that will populate these and the ads over here. So that's how to do it in the basic ad editor. Now, one of the frustrating parts about this is that Facebook gives you access to their beautiful stock photography database through Shutterstock for your basic ads, but some of you that are creating dark post ads or ads in the Power Editor and know how to use that, you may be wondering, well, what's an easy way for me to use these same images in the Power Editor? I'm going to show you here. So if we come up here to manage ads, I'm just going to click leave this page, and then I'm going to click on my account, click on the Power Editor. Now the reason, the advantage of the Power Editor is it just gives you a little more flexibility and features when you're creating your ads. So I've already got an ad created, but if you didn't have one created, first you need to download all of your ads to the Power Editor. So you'd come up here and click download to Power Editor, and it'd download all your data from your Facebook account or your Facebook ad accounts to this Power Editor. And you need to have Chrome. You need to be running the Chrome browser in order to have access to this. But I've already got an ad that I'm working on here. So to set it up, you will need a Facebook page here, at least for running ads in the news feed. So I've got one selected, and then you can have select these options: single image, one link and ad, or multiple images. I'm just going to select single for this example, but as you can see, you've got a couple more options here in the Power Editor. You can paste your website URL here, then you can paste the URL that you want Facebook to display here, right here, if you don't want it to be the same URL. And then the advantage of the Power Editor ads is that it allows you to have longer headlines and more copy, more text, in your ad copy here, whereas the basic ad editor, you're very limited on the space, the amount of characters in your headline. But I'm going to come down here to image and click change image, and as you can see here, now the Power Editor doesn't have access to stock images here, but what it does is when you select those images that you're going to use in your campaign for the basic ad, when you come in here, it'll already be in your image library. So I can select those images, I'm going to click confirm, and then as you can see, it'll populate that image for my Power Editor. So that's how images work within Facebook ads, and how to populate them, and kind of the different options you have for the basic ad editor, and how to get those stock photography images in your Power Editor ads as well.